Hello children, a very warm welcome to the grammar session. Today we are going to discuss about the grammar topic which you already know about it, but let us give up a warm-up exercise for that so that we will go into the further sections which is given in your grammar textbooks. So already you have learned about noun and pronoun, children, right? So when you talk about a noun, so you start telling about a noun, describing about it, something it teaches or whatever it is, right? Suppose I take a butterfly and I start telling about a butterfly. Butterfly is a noun, right? And so when I talk about it, butterfly is in blue color. Butterfly is beautiful. Yes or no? So when I talk about these two things, like butterfly is blue in color. How is the butterfly? Blue color. And how is it looking? It's looking beautiful. So when I take the words beautiful or blue, I started describing the noun butterfly, taking the help of those words. Those words are nothing but describing words. In other terms, we call them as adjectives. So today, our topic is adjectives, and I'm going to discuss about the adjective and the types of adjectives, children. So you were given many types in the textbook. As I cannot cover all the topics in one session, today I'm going to take only one part, that is the first type of adjectives. So as I told, an adjective is a word which describes a noun, a place, a thing, or an animal, or whatever it is. So that is nothing but an adjective, children. And we place the adjectives or the describing words before a noun or after the noun. Suppose when I take Lata. Lata is a pretty girl. So Lata is a pretty girl. So after Lata, we got, pretty girl. Pretty girl. Girl is a noun and pretty girl. What kind of girl? Pretty girl. So pretty is adjective. Or she is a, like the girl is pretty. You can say the girl is pretty means after the noun also I can describe this. I can take the adjective. The girl is pretty. Pretty, okay? So before or after the noun also sometimes the adjectives comes. Okay, children? And according to your textbook, there are different kinds of adjectives where we have in our textbook the adjectives of quality, the adjectives of quantity, the adjectives of number, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives. Okay, children? So when I talk about these all adjectives, today I'm going to talk about only the adjectives of quality. Okay, so before explaining that, I would like to take you to the PPT show where you will be more clear about adjectives and the kinds of adjectives. After that, I'll be going to the textbook part. Okay, children? So I shall share the screen for you. Yeah. So this is what I told you about the adjective already, right? An adjective modifies a noun. Modifies means like it changes the character of the noun. You'll be more clear about the noun when we use adjectives. I simply say that Rahul is a boy. But how does he look? I'll take like he's a tall boy. He is a clever boy. So I can talk about his, I know about that boy is tall. Tall is describing the noun, that is tall is called adjective. Here on the screen you can see brown, loud, beach, happy. So here brown means a brown, an adjective modifies a noun. Brown, a brown horse. The color of the horse is brown. So you understand like what kind of horse it was. It's a brown horse, right? It's loud. The bell is louder. How the bell? Like it's a loud bell. Loud. Like we can hear the noise very loud. You can describe the sound. Is it low? Is it loud? Whatever it is, right? And happy. Happy means a happy man, a sad woman. So you, by describing this, you will understand the noun very clearly, children. So definitely it modifies a noun. Okay, so as I said, there are different kinds of adjectives, where we have adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, and exclamatory adjective. Okay, children. So as I said, I'm going to discuss only one type of adjective here, and it is about the adjectives of quality. Okay, on the screen you can see adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number. I'll discuss them also slowly, don't worry. So adjectives of quality. So first of all, as he gave on the screen, you can define adjective or words that are used to describe nouns and pronouns and to quantify and identify them. There are 100 apples. How many apples? 100 apples. So here adjective will be 100. It means you will understand the number of apples. Clarity of the noun is very clearly understood. When we use adjectives, and children, adjectives are very important. We use them to describe. So when you write a paragraph, when you write a story, when you write something, we use lots and lots of adjectives. So they play a major role in the grammatical part, or when we write an essay, when we write a question, right, children? So coming to adjectives of quality, you have to remember a simple word which was given in your textbook also. When you question what kind of, something you take and you say like this is a pencil. What kind of pencil is it? What kind of pencil? It's an orange pencil. It's an orange pencil. So what kind of? What kind of? It's an yellow pencil. So like when you question that, you will get the answer. So that is nothing but adjectives of quality. Suppose this pencil is very strong. This pencil is very strong. You cannot break it. So adjectives of quality. What kind of pencil? It is very strong. It is yellow in color, right? It is suppose something like, you know, this is a mobile which is it's a black color. So it describes not only the color. It is, you know, it is a heavy mobile bank. It's a heavy mobile bank. Heavy. So what kind? Heavy. So when I talk about the words honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, you know, these all words are nothing but adjectives of quality. You can see the example on the screen. Sarah is a beautiful woman. So what kind of woman she was? Beautiful. So that is called the adjective of quality, children. Okay, so as I told you already, adjectives are nothing but describing words, and we have some words here on the screen. Soft, the pillow is soft, and the boy is sitting on the hard surface. Some examples we describe about adjectives. Okay, as I'm already discussing about adjectives of quality, you can see here on the screen a rose, a beautiful rose, right? So how nice it is looking. It's this is a red rose, and this is a beautiful rose. What kind of rose? Red rose. And what kind of rose again it is? Beautiful rose, right? So here also one more slide if I go. Adjectives of quality. See, you can see on the screen, he is our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. And we have some points regarding him. If I go and read it, Narendra Modi is a visionary leader. He is a brave leader. He is an ambitious leader. He is a clear speaker. So, what kind of leader? Visionary leader. What do you mean by visionary, children? Visionary means who has a very great idea about the future. A future India is in his hands. He is none other than a prime minister, and prime minister is like a father to the whole country. So all the future of the country is in his hands. So he has to think better for the people, better for the generations coming. So he is a very great visionary leader, right? So visionary is what kind of leader? What kind? So it is an adjective of quality. He is a brave leader, right? He takes decisions very bravely. So he is a brave leader. He is an ambitious leader. Very zeal. He is, he has that capacity to do the things, and he's very ambitious. When he feels to do something, he will do it, right, children? And he is a clear speaker, very clearly, very understandably he speaks. So, and there are some other sentences on the screen. You can see, children. I have long hair. Long. Rahul is a fat boy. Shreya is a beautiful girl. Rama has a blue pen. Geeta's grandmother is an old lady. So long, fat, beautiful, blue, old. These are all the kinds of adjectives. They are adjectives of quality. How is the boy? Fat. How is the girl? Beautiful. What pen he has? Blue pen. She's an old lady. And what hair I have? Long hair. That way you have some examples on the screen, children. So by this, I think you are clear with adjectives of quality. Now what I'm going to do is, I will show you the textbook part also. Then we have more clear idea about adjectives of quality, and we will do the exercise. So now we have come to the textbook part, children. That is page number 22 of your textbook, I feel so. Yeah, it's page number 22. If you see here in the textbook, I didn't take that screenshot. You please see the textbook. So nothing is there. You have some adjectives which are described there. That is kinds of adjectives, children. Just a second. Sorry, children, for the pause. Actually, yeah, have the page of this also. Page number 22 of your grammar textbooks, children. Unit 5, the adjective and the kinds of adjectives. So look at the picture and then read the sentences written under them. So when I have these on the screen, you can see a happy boy, a sad girl, a big elephant, a small mouse, a tall tower, a short film, a new city, an old town. So when I talk about happy, sad, big, small, tall, short, and new, old, they all describe the boy, girl, elephant, a small mouse, a tall tower, a film is short, a new city, an old town, these all. So when I describe the people, words that describe people, animals, things, and places are called adjectives. All describing words are adjectives, and they describe nouns. And as I told you, they can be placed before the nouns or after the nouns. My mother is very pretty. Mother is the noun, pretty is the adjective. Her frock is new. Here frock is noun, new is adjective. Okay, children? So as I discussed with you, there are kinds of adjectives where we are talking about adjectives of quality. Ashok is a kind boy. You can see on the screen. Ashok is a kind boy, and he helped the blind man. Yeah. The foolish crow tried to sing. The clever fox walked away with the cheese. The clever fox walked away with the cheese. The word kind is an adjective which tells what kind of boy Ashok is. Right, children? And the second point you can see, he helped the blind man. The foolish crow tried to sing. The clever fox walked away with the cheese. So what kind of boy Ashok is? Ashok is a kind boy. Okay, what kind of man he helped? He helped the blind man. Okay, what kind of crow it was? The foolish crow. What kind of fox it was? It was a clever fox. So such adjectives which tell us what kind of person, animal, or a thing is called are called adjectives of quality. Okay, children. So adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind, as I discussed with you before also, children. Okay. Now underline the adjectives of quality in the following sentences and write the nouns that describe in the space given. One is done for you. The crow is a useful animal. The crow is a useful animal. Right, children? So, in that, what is the adjective of quality, children? Yes, useful, right? And London is a large, big city. London is a large, big city. So, what kind of city London is? London is Akbar was a wise king. Akbar was a wise king. What kind of king? Wise. So, you have to write there, wise. London is a large, big city. What kind of city here? Two, actually, large city and busy city. So, two kinds of, what kinds of large city, what kind of city, also busy city. So both words you have to write here. You write here and I will give the answers later, but don't wait for the answers, children. You have to write yourself. Then only you will have a good practice, you will remember, and it's so easy to do. Rajputs are brave. What kind of Rajputs they were? They're brave. So brave is the correct word. The rose is a beautiful flower. What kind of flower? Beautiful. Then the fifth one, lions are strong, fierce animals. What kind of animals they are? Strong, fierce, both. The kind old man helped the poor woman. So the old man was what kind of man? Very kind. And what kind of woman she is? Very poor. So both the words you have to write there, children. Do not get confused. The foolish crow tried to sing. So the kind of crow is foolish. So you have to write foolish. Good boys always speak the truth. What kind of boys speak the truth? Good boys. So you have to write here, good. These small mangoes have a sweet taste. So small mangoes. What mangoes? What kind of mangoes? Small and sweet taste. What kind of taste? Sweet taste. So these are all called as adjectives of quality. Okay, children. Now I'll be going to exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives of quality given in the bubble. So he gave some words there. You can see there: sharp, good, long, clever, cold, small, useful, hot, big, sweet, cruel, sour. So knife will be generally sharp. So you have to put that word sharp over their, children. Okay. Monkeys have dash tails. How will be the monkey's tails, children? Yes, you can see any word which is suitable there. I think long is suitable. Generally, monkeys will have long tails. So you have to write long over there. What kind of tails? Long tails. So long is the adjective of quality. Okay. What a dash boy you are. What a clever boy you are. When teacher praises you, what a clever boy you are, you will be very, very happy, right? So what a clever boy. What kind of boy? Clever boy. So you have to put clever over there. Okay, children? Dash boys never tell lies. Just now we thought. So do we have the word here? Yes. Good boys never tell lies. But here in the bubble, G was given small letter, but you are starting the sentence. So use capital letter, children, and write G-O-O-D, G as capital letter. Okay, what kind of boys will never lie? Good boys. So you're all good boys, right? And good girls. Fifth one, the camel is a dash animal. What kind of animal the camel is? The camel is, we can see in the bubble, right? like it is a useful animal. Camel is a useful animal because, you know, in the deserts, it is the ship of the desert. You know, camel has a name, children. It is called the ship of the desert. Why? Because it is the only source for many people who live in the deserts. They carry so much load on their backs. They drink water, and they stay like that for many days without drinking water. Even camel milk also people use, and some people use camel meat also, and nowadays they're killing many camels, which is very very bad. Okay, we already learned we have to use animals only for, you know, you should not kill the animals for fun and purpose, right? So okay, I'm coming back to our blanks again. So camel is a useful animal, children, right? Then sixth part, in India we have dash weather in summer. How will be the weather in India in summer, children? Very, yes, hot. And dash weather in winter, very cold weather in winter, right? I think already I've written it. Seventh one, an elephant is a dash animal. An elephant is a big animal, and a mouse is a small animal. Okay, fine. Eighth one, lemons are dash. Lemons will be very sour in taste, right? And grapes are sweet. Grapes are sweet. Some grapes will be sour also, but here, according to the sentence, lemons only we have to write sour because lemons cannot be sweet, right? Yes. And dash boys throw stones at birds. Which boys throw stones at birds? Like we have here cruel boys. Yeah, cruel boys means, cruel means very bad nature. We will not have, children, I know you're all good boys, so definitely you'll not throw stone at birds. If you feel like you feel like rearing the birds, I don't know. So anyways, as the sentence is given like that, we will write cruel boys throw stones at birds. So that is the answer. This is about adjectives of quality. You got a clear idea, children, about the adjectives of quality? Very nice to know that. You have any doubts, you can approach me personally also. Okay, anyways, we'll be discussing again and again these topics. Until then, have a nice time, children. I'll be coming with the next topic or the next type of adjective soon. Have a nice time, children. Thank you so much.